A police officer was gunned down this morning with only weeks left before his retirement.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. At the end of the gun this morning was 59-year-old Newton Bensley, who was looking to retire very soon from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. According to reports, the incident took place at the National Water Commission sewage plant in Spanish Town, where gunshots were heard and the police were summoned. An investigation was done and Mr. Bentley's body was found laying in a puddle of his own blood. Information received is that his licensed 9mm pistol was also stolen. Now the thing about it is the officer was set to retire just next August coming, after him just returned to work last March. Now, investigations continue to find out what is the motive behind the killing. Viewers, this is another one from Unstoppable TV, Unstoppable Quick Flash Update. If this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and turning on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. I'm unstoppable, no matter what. Don't let nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.